A delegation of the human rights-focused think tank, Independent Human Rights Observer, led by prominent social leader Ghazi Dilawar Hussain, held a meeting with Tahira Aziz, Chief Executive Officer of the District Education Authority Multan, at her office in Multan. At the beginning of the meeting, Inaya Hasna, a student in the nursery class of QKG school, presented a bouquet to Tahira Aziz as a gesture of respect and goodwill. During the meeting, members of the delegation discussed various measures aimed at ensuring a safe, dignified, and conducive environment for female teachers and students in schools and educational offices. The discussion focused on strengthening institutional safeguards, promoting respectful workplace practices, and improving protections for women within the education sector. Tahira Aziz briefed the delegation on the authority's institutional strategy and the practical measures being implemented to enhance safety, professionalism, and welfare standards across educational institutions under the district administration. The delegation of the Independent Human Rights Observer reaffirmed its commitment to continuing practical and sustained efforts to protect and promote the rights of female teachers and students.